in my area cold. Dark skin, light skin, medium tones. Pumping braids, got mini afros. Big lips, got hips, some of us don't. Big nose contour, some of us won't. Never wanna put us in the media, bro. Wanna fat pretty like Kardashian, no. Wanna fat pretty like my auntie, got a young.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Tan. If it's your first time here, hey girl, hey. And if you're a returning subscriber, then thanks for coming back. So today is Thursday, but it's still gonna be a weekday here on this channel. And today's wig is from LuvMe Hair. So huge shout out and huge thank you to LuvMe Hair for sending this unit over. If you want to know my thoughts and opinions about her, then just keep watching. So I wanted to show you all how the hair came right out of the package and also the cap construction. It's your typical cap construction. It's 4 combs in total, but I only ended up showing you 3. There's an elastic band and then the lace is a 13x4, but it says that it's compact and we'll talk about that a little bit later. Now LuvMe Hair's units always tend to give scalp. With this particular unit, I did not bleach any knots because I didn't want to run the risk of having blonde roots. I also didn't put any foundation or powder on the lace just because of the color of the wig. I pretty much just wanted it to be free, I guess you could say. And again, we will talk about that a little bit later. I feel like had I gone ahead and worn a brighter stocking cap underneath, then it definitely would have gave its typical quote-unquote scalp appeal. Okay, so let's talk about this unit from LuvMe Hair. This is their Cinnamon Spice Curly Compact Frontal Wig, and the specs, features, product details on it says that it is a 14-inch curly wave, 100% virgin hair, 180% density. The color is a number 33, and the the lace on it is a Swiss medium brown. I showed you all the cap construction earlier, and it's your typical cap construction with the combs in it and the elastic band in it. Earlier, two things stuck out to me while I was reading what the wig was called: compact and the lace. So let's talk about compact. If you noticed earlier when I showed you the cap construction, it seems like it's 13 inches across and then 14 inches back, but it's not a full 13x4 in my opinion. It seems like it's just pretty much right in this area. So it's like from here to here, that's where I guess the word compact comes into place. I'm personally not mad about it. I don't want a part that's like way over here. Honestly, with this hair, I don't want a defined part at all. But like I said, the word compact really stuck out to me, so I wanted to bring that to you all's attention. The second thing that stuck out to me was the lace, and it says Swiss medium brown. This makes so much sense to me why I like LuvMe Hair's lace so much. If you've watched any of my past videos, I typically work with synthetic units, but I always talk about how I wish that they would put brown lace on the units so it can cater to deeper skin tones. LuvMe Hair always gets me right. I mean, like, let's look at the hairline, shall we? Like, come on now. Who? You gonna argue with me? You wanna argue with me? You wanna tell me that this isn't growing out of my scalp? Because it is. It is. Their lace on their units are always pure perfection to me. Like, they can just never do any wrong. Now, please, don't change the medium brown lace. I don't know if it's on every one of their units, but the 3 units that I've received, I feel like it's always been the brown lace. So like I said, it's perfection. I won't ramble on about it too much, but thank you. So I guess we can talk about my personal pros of this wig. Number 1, let's start with the color. I really do feel like I was meant to be born a redhead. Don't argue with me. Do not argue with me. I really do feel like I was meant to be born a redhead. But I'm too afraid to dye my real hair. So when you have things like this, what's the need? Another thing I absolutely adore about this wig is the curl pattern. Like, this is so pretty. It's giving, I just washed my hair and now I'm letting it air dry. But I know better than that because I have 4C hair. And so if I let it air dry, it's not gonna be this light and airy. I do like that this is 180% density because I do feel like if it was 150%, it probably would have been a little bit too thin for my liking. But the 180 is perfect because it's thick enough, but it's still light and airy, if that makes sense. I guess we can talk about the cons now. I really only have 2 cons that I can think of, and the first one being that it only comes in 14 inches. I really wish they offered this unit in longer inches, maybe up until a 20 or a 22. Oh my gosh, I feel like that would be so pretty. It would make me think of Merida from, it's a Disney movie. I love Disney movies. Is it Disney or is it Pixar? I think it's Disney. I don't know, but if you know, you know. The other con that I have is when I was washing this hair, so just let you guys know, I mean, I showed you earlier. I don't think I showed you me washing it, but earlier I did wash the hair and then I just let it air dry. And while I was washing it, dye started to run out of it. And I got really scared and freaked out a little bit because I was like, oh my God, like I'm about to ruin the wig and I haven't even done the review yet. But no, I think that might be normal. And then again, it might not be normal. All I'm gonna say is wash your wig before you wear it, just in case. Say if you decided to wear a white top or something like that, and then I don't know if it rained or something, you wouldn't want your white top to be stained with hair dye. So wash your hair before wearing it. I don't really have too much to say about this unit. She's a banger, just like all of my other LuvMe hair units. And also, if you haven't noticed, I like to keep my reviews pretty much short, sweet, simple, to the point. So yeah, if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe before you leave, and also make sure you click the bell, that way you're notified anytime that I upload a video. Follow your girl on Instagram, it is @10Dotson. My TikTok is also @10Dotson. I need to be a little bit more active over there, but we'll get there, girl, we'll get there. Huge shout out and huge thank you again to LuvMe Hair. It is always a pleasure working with them because the units are always a banger. I will make sure I put a direct link to this unit in the description box below, along with the coupon code you can use, you know, to save you some points off. I don't think I have anything else to say. I'm gonna stop rambling. So yeah, I will see you on the next one. Bye.
Black girls in my area cold, dark skin, light skin, medium tones, pumping braids, got mini afros, big lips, got lips, some of us don't, big nose contour, some of us won't, never wanna pass in a medium.